The LG CES pre-announcements have so far been high-tech and not very luxurious, but today the company is going in the opposite direction by issuing a new color for its flagship V30 smartphone. Described as an inspiring pink raspberry for romance, this intense pink tone joins the 4 other V30 color options that LG offers and will be available to purchase well in advance of this year's Valentine's Day. Unfortunately for US romantics, however, the Raspberry Rose V30 will only be available in Asia and Europe. The V30 is one of the most attractive smartphones on Android right now, combining an excellent waterproof design with the best headphone audio from any smartphone to date. But, in my time checking the phone, I found that it had a disappointingly poor OLED screen and a disappointing camera. Doing the pink V30 is not going to do anything to improve those drawbacks. However, the new distinctive color will certainly help the V30 attract more looks when it debuts at CES in Las Vegas.